The battle of brow mascaras, battle of brow gels. We got Tom Ford Fiber Brow Gel in Espresso versus DipBrow Gel, Anastasia DipBrow Gel in Soft Brown. First contender, Anastasia, we're gonna put on this eyebrow. Versus Fiber Brow Gel in Espresso by Tom Ford. Can't find this one anywhere. That's why I have to sample some others. Obviously a bit darker of a shade. In terms of application, I think it's about the same. This one felt a bit more sticky, and when it dries, it feels a bit more laminated in, versus this one remains kind of natural, so it's just basically coloring the brow and giving it light hold like a flexible spray if we were talking hairspray versus strong hold in hairspray terms. I don't know, maybe I'm a bit biased because I do love the Tom Ford, but I just feel like it's a bit more natural, less makeup-y than this one. It feels like it's a bit more makeup-y. Again, Tom Ford versus Anastasia. Significant price difference too. I think this one was like 20 versus what, 35, 40? And I can't find it, so you know, might have to go other routes anyway. But again, just a quickie battle. Tom Ford versus Anastasia. Espresso versus Soft Brown. Y'all can be the judge. Bye-bye.